Natural disaster in Canada today. Canada is currently facing its most severe wildfire season on record, with far-reaching consequences that have even reached Norway. The wildfire season in Canada has begun with unprecedented intensity, as flames engulf vast areas of the country, resulting in hazardous smoky conditions that extend beyond the continent. The smoke, which made its way to New York earlier this week, has now spread to Washington, D.C., enveloping the city in an unhealthy haze on Thursday. This alarming situation has compelled numerous residents to stay indoors or relocate to escape the distressing fires. Adding to the challenges, Halifax experienced scorching temperatures of 33 degrees Celsius on Thursday, which is about 10 degrees Celsius above the usual norms for this time of year. The forest fires in Canada are believed to have been ignited either by lightning, as seen in the case of Quebec, or inadvertently due to human activities. Additionally, speculation has arisen regarding the contribution of fallen trees resulting from Hurricane Fiona, which struck Atlantic Canada in September 2022, or the proliferation of forest pests. These factors may have increased the availability of combustible materials for wildfires. However, further investigation is required to substantiate this theory, as stated by Ellen Whitman, a research scientist with the Canadian Forest Service. Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.